And good morning. My Jeep update for Tuesday, March 14th, and it's about 11 o'clock. Been doing a little bit of work this morning, buttoning up a few items. I got my axles installed. There's the left side. I don't have the rotor on it yet. Okay. We got the right side, right rear end. I still got the calipers. I'm not gonna, that's gonna be last. I'm not gonna, but you're not gonna believe this. I got it. I started buttoning it up. I got some new bolts coming and I do not want to use the old bolts. But I got the cover on it. I've got everything. It's showing in spec to the best of my ability, and we will check it close during the break-in period. I will follow the break-in period to the letter. And if I get any odd noises, I will pull it back in and pull that cover off. Anyway, that's it. Quick update. I can't do much today. Got an appointment this afternoon at 1:30. It's already 11 o'clock. So I'm just doing some minor things right now, but I'm feeling a little better about this. Anyway, that's it for now. That's my Jeep out. My Jeep quick update, and it's Wednesday the 16th. Yeah, here's my old differential cover. I went ahead, cleaned it up and painted it. Got me some new hardened bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and use that. My new cover, I had drilled a hole here. I was gonna, working on putting a drain plug in, and I have not been able to get that to work correctly. I need to get a heavy drill. I got to drill out the hole a little bigger. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and use this old cover. Looks pretty good, and I'll update you again a little bit later. Oh, and before I go, what I'm fixing to do, I bought me some new retainer plate nuts. I'm going to install and tighten down the retainer plate nuts on the bolts on both sides. I'm going to install my drive shaft, rear drive shaft, and torque those bolt straps down. I think they're about 35 pounds. And I'm going to install this differential cover and torque those down to about 45 foot-pounds. Let's see. I'm going to have to recheck. That might be 35, and the retainer nuts may be 45. I'm gonna have to double check that before I hit them with the torque wrench. That's a my Jeep update out for now. Good evening. That's my Jeep update. Last for the day. It's still Wednesday, February 15th, 2023. Now, an earlier clip, I may have put the wrong date in there. I may have said the 16th. I'll check that and I will correct it with captions. Anyway, I've just been doing some minor work that has to be done before I can move on. And what I've done, I've installed my axles, and I've got all new nuts, bolts for this these axles, both left and right. Now I got them installed but not torqued down. I'm waiting to make sure that I don't have to pull them again for some reason. I'll do a final inspection on these items and then torque them down. Same thing over here on this side. This one here still has the rotor on it. Anyway, all 4 nuts and bolts are on, tightened but not torqued. Now, I did install my differential cover, and I said I was going to torque it down, but I decided not to torque it down. Never know. I'm going to leave it like that until I get everything else ready to button up. This is what I've got to get to now, so I won't have any excuses. I've been really kind of afraid to mess with it. It looks like a damn spider. It's a puzzle. Every time I have a plan and I start messing with it, the brain waves just fly away. Anyway, I got some good diagrams. I think I'm going to be able to whip it. I got all new parts. I got all the hoses I need. Now, I thought I was going to be able to get my drive shaft installed today, but I ran into a problem that us old guys have all the time. Yep, excuse me. Okay, there's the drive shaft. All right. When you pull your bolts and nuts off and you're going to use them down the road, make sure you know where they're at. And I cannot find the new straps and the new bolts for that drive shaft, so I'm going to have to get me another set. Now, I'm not really too worried about that. You know, I've got other things to do. The evap system is what's next, but I'll have to put some more money out of pocket for accessories. And I'm not really making a lot of headway right now. I am buttoning up some things that I need to get done before I can move on. So anyway, I'm happy with that differential. I just hope the break-in period goes good when I start that. That'll be another story. That could be some successes or failures right there. We'll see. But anyway, that's my Jeep for today, and this is the last video. I'm gonna go ahead, it's about 5 o'clock, I'm gonna go ahead and post this one tonight. And that's my Jeep out.